Okay, it's Angelo again here with another unboxing. This one is a Ganzo Firebird F756 carbon fiber. Got this a few months ago, and I always liked the Benchmade 940, and I really couldn't afford that. The price tag on that's like $230 to $272, and I really couldn't justify spending that much money on a knife. So I found this knife here that it looked very similar, but I couldn't find it on Amazon for a month, and then I ended up finding it on eBay, brand new in the box. But I've already opened this because I put a lanyard on it. But it was brand new in the box. I think I got it in like less than a week. And I was pretty happy when I got it. So here's what it looks like. Here's the... Oh, there we go. Oh, crap. There we go. Like all Firebird... well, I shouldn't say all. Most that I've... All the ones I got, they all give you this little pouch. It's like microfiber. They come in a... I don't see the... I'm sure I must have lost it, but they had like probably a catalog, little piece of paper with the brochure, but I already opened it, so it's not in there. I'm not sure where it went. But this is the knife itself. It's carbon fiber. Has the Benchmade type access lock. You can see it. I'll go to tip. It's really well made. Yeah, there's that side. You see, I've actually sharpened it. Yeah, came pretty sharp, but I ended up sharpening it again just to make it a little bit better. Make it a little better. Yeah. That cat's going crazy. That's what you hear, the moaning. Come here. Come here, cat. Come here. Come here. Come here. Anyway, so that's the cat making noises. So, anyways. So it's made out of... Firebird made by Ganzo F756, made with 440C steel. It has a stone wash finish. It's skeletonized in there. You can see that. Pillar construction. Not a deep carry clip. It's somewhat shiny. It's actually kind of a fancy looking knife, really. But I'm gonna run some comparisons between the Benchmade and the Ganzo. So the Benchmade, like as you go versus, it's the Benchmade Osborne 940 compared to the Ganzo F756. So the Osborne costs around $230 to $700 or $272 compared to $26. Here's a picture of the Benchmade knife. It's smaller than this knife, but it has definitely the same characteristics. Like this is called a reverse Tonto blade, and I mean it's not the same knife. Like I said, this one's bigger, but it has the same. Everything's definitely patterned after it. So that's the Benchmade. This is what this actually is. The length of this one knife is the Benchmade knife is 7.87 compared to this is actually 8 inches, 8¼ inches. The blade length on the Benchmade is 3.4 inches. This one's actually 3.5. The blade material is CPM S90V for the Benchmade, and this has 440C. The hardness on the Benchmade is actually 59 to 61 and on the Rockwell scale, and the 440C is actually 60 on the Rockwell scale. A little slower, possibly, depending on the heat treat. I'm sure the Benchmade's better, but for the price, I paid $26 to maybe at most $30 for this. And the handle length on the Benchmade is 4.47 compared to this handle is 4.50. The weight on the Benchmade is 2.4 ounces, which is considerably lighter than this. Actually is comparatively a heavy knife. This is, well, right now it reads 440. I measured 445 before me because I had it closed. Let's try it again. There's 445 with it closed with my lanyard, which probably, I don't even know what that weighs. Probably not much. So that's the comparison between the two. But I mean, it lets you get into the Benchmade axis lock, and the Benchmade axis lock is, you know, they call it their G lock, but it drops shut pretty good. I believe this has one bronze and one nylon washer. Oh yeah, one nylon or one Teflon and one bronze washer, but it actually it's smooth. I'm sure it's not smooth like a $230 to $272 knife, but you can see, I mean, this, and it drops pretty good. But of course, you know, I mean, it's I think a good way to get in to see how you might like it. I don't know if I don't know if I'll buy a Benchmade Osborne ever, but this gave me a little taste what maybe it might be like. But I like this knife. Actually, my wife has claimed it because she likes the carbon fiber design. She thinks it looks pretty. So this is the knife she grabs. I don't even put it in the knife case anymore. I kind of set it out and she grabs it when she wants to do a little work around the house, cutting stuff open, cutting her lemongrass ball packages she's in business with. She cuts a lot of cardboard with this, and it just goes on and on. I mean, 440C is pretty good steel, and she gets a lot of packages and she cuts and cuts with it. So, but like I said, I actually she stole that knife from me, so I had to take it back a little bit. But that's about it. Like I said, here's what you could spend if you. That's the Osborne. I mean, the Osborne. I mean, it is a pretty knife. It's not. This one's flat. Like the handle texture's flat. This, I mean, has a, like, I don't know if you can't really see it on the screen, but it's got like grooves and stuff, and I'm sure it's a better knife. You probably pay for what you get, but for $26 to $27, I went with the Ganzo Firebird, and I like it. My wife likes it because she took it from me, so I'd say that's a good knife then. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.